What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick unboxing overview and just more of a vlog type of video. So I currently shoot all my stuff on the Nikon Z6 II, which has XQD CFexpress card reader, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and a little bit of a discussion about XQD and the CFexpress card, because it has a lot of likes and dislikes that I like about it. Actually, it only has two, but we'll get into that as I go. But we'll get this out of the box. This is the Belkin device. This is a memory card reader for CFexpress. I think it does not do XQD from what I saw, and it is USB 3.2. It costs around $60, between $50 and $60. And a lot of these have been sold out. This one got pretty good reviews, so I thought I would kind of get an idea of what you get for $50 some. Whoop. So the couple things that I like and dislike about the XQD CFexpress card reader. For one, the XQD is actually a dying platform. They're getting rid of that and everything's going to CFexpress. So that's one, it's not as used card as a standard SD or even micro SD. So the thing that I really like about it is it has really fast speeds, and supposedly it's more reliable. It's a little bit thicker, beefier, heavier of a card. The pins are actually on the inside versus on the SD card, they're actually on the outside. So it will be probably a little bit more reliable, but I've actually never had an SD card actually die. I'm not a pro user. I don't beat this stuff up and use it outside in extreme weather, so I'm not really sure if other people have had similar situations, but it's supposedly supposed to be more reliable, and it's much faster, so you get a lot faster read and writes for a CFexpress or an XQD card than you do a standard SD. So that's the big plus. Now the minus is going to be the cost. So again, if you look at the cost for a 64 gigabyte CFexpress card, it's about $100 minimum. I believe that's what my Lexar in here cost, was $100. Sometimes they go on sale for $90, but they're generally almost double, sometimes triple the cost of a standard SD card. So that is where it gets you, and it's not as known of a platform. So my laptop has an SD card reader, so you can just throw an SD card in there and you're ready to go. No laptop I know has a CFexpress card or an XQD slot, so it's something you'll have to get a card reader for, or just pull them right off the camera. So that's why we have this, which again, this card reader was $60, and it was one of the cheaper ones out there. They go from $200 to $200 if you look at some of them that have dual card readers on them. So you will pay a decent amount more for CFexpress. So that's something to keep in mind. Oh, here's the receipt. It was $55. So back to the unboxing. What do you get? Well, this is what it looks like. Feels pretty nice. It's metal. Basically has a little opening here to put the card in, and then looks like you have a USB-C connection here on the back, which is nice. I like to see that everything's going to USB-C besides some of the older iPhones, but I think that's kind of the new standard. And it does look like you get a few cables here. So this is USB-A to USB-C. Oh, this is nice. So you get another one. You get USB-C to USB-C. So you get two different varieties of cables, which I think is nice for the price point. The cables don't seem all that long. That would probably be my only concern, is that the cables don't seem to be the longest out there, but overall they will probably work. So yeah, not very long, 3 feet maybe. But that's it. That's kind of my general overview, my likes, dislikes, quick unboxing of this. This isn't my normal shooting setup. My room's being used right now and kind of torn apart, so I'm doing some updates to that. So that's it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Oh, there's a bunch of data. It does come with a 5-year warranty, which is nice. So that's it. I hope you guys are having a good rest of the day, good holiday. New Year's Eve is today. I don't know if I'll get this up today, but I hope everyone has a good holiday. Be safe out there, be careful, and I'll see you guys next time.